10 healthy ways to get rid of puffy eyes. Waking up with puffy eyes can be really frustrating when you have a big day ahead. Puffy eyes are one of the most common beauty problems. This occurs when the eyes begin to swell for various reasons, including excessive crying, excessive physical stress, genetics, dermatitis, hormonal changes in the body, a change in weather, sinus problems, hangovers, bad diet, lack of sleep, and some allergic reaction. Puffy eyes can make you look tired and ill. But you can easily take care of them with some simple, healthy ways. 1. Curb the salt. Put down that salt shaker. Water will always find its way from parts of your body that are low in sodium to those that have the most. The area around your eyes is a prime example. That's why a dinner loaded with salt often results in morning after puffiness. 2. Manage your allergies. Allergy season and watery, puffy eyes go hand in hand. Here's the good news, those over-the-counter medicines that you take for your allergies, colds, or sinus infections can dry up your puffy eyes, along with your runny nose. 3. Use a neti pot. Try a neti pot. Use this gizmo, which looks like a small teapot, to pour salt water into one nostril and let it drain out the other. It sounds weird, but it might help flush out all that extra moisture in your sinuses from seasonal allergies, colds, or infections. 4. Switch your sleep position. Are you a side or stomach sleeper? Gravity causes fluid to collect under your eyes, which might explain those pesky bags. Try to sleep on your back and add an extra pillow under your head. 5. Take your makeup off before bed. Don't hit the hay with your eye makeup on. It can make your eyes water and cause a case of morning after puffiness. Wash off the gunk with soap and water, or use a remover every night. 6. Protect your eyes from UV rays. You do a lot to protect your body from sunlight. Are you doing the same for your face? Too much sun can make the skin around your eyes sag or wrinkle. Use sunscreen, sunglasses, and hats to protect your face from harmful rays. 7. Don't smoke. Want another reason to kick the habit? Smoking can dry and weaken the skin on your face. Say no to smokes and save yourself from wrinkled, droopy eyes. 8. Give your eyes a cool down. Got swollen eyes? Chill them out. A cold compress can ease puffiness. Try chilled spoons, cucumber slices, or tea bags. What you use doesn't matter, the low temperature does the work. 9. Consider eye cream. Store shelves groan under the weight of creams and lotions made to reduce puffy eyes. Try them out to see if one works for you. Here's one product to avoid: don't use old-fashioned hemorrhoid cream. It can irritate the skin around your eyes. Try a retinol eye cream instead. 10. Cover up. Are dark circles a problem? You can often hide them with concealer. Choose one that matches your skin tone. Apply it by lightly patting it on, don't try to rub it in. If you like our video, please take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel. By clicking subscribe button then tapping the bell icon. So you will be the first to know when we post the new videos.